Hello, this is Zach Knoll. This is for CIS274 XML Programming, Class 10. This week we were doing write a program where you can select data from it. So I've got something, fairly cut and dry, but it's right to the point, and you can pull exactly what you want out of it. I'd like to make it more info. I don't know. I'd like it to display more info, I guess. I'd prefer it if my output just showed an entire line item, like a whole class section, as you see over here. But I'll get to that. So this is what I got for now. This is my the room list as an XML. And so I've got a couple of different ways to search for things. You can do all the items. This one will do one particular item. This will do all the text for an element, and then I've got it set up to filter right now. This prints out the entire thing for everything that you specify it to be. That'll do all the side tags, so all of these. This will do the entire document, and it reformats it. And then this iterates through the titles, which are there, and then looks for microeconomics. So, as you can see, these are the first two that ran. That's just right here. I just specified exactly in the index where I wanted them. I'm using element tree, by the way. Next I did all the courses that are labeled as 1032M, which, as you can see here, is all of them. And it gives you the title and the CRN and the course number. And then the last one that I have turned on goes through the titles, iterates through, looks for microeconomics, and then displays that. As you see, I have it all just showing out on my output right now. Obviously, I could change the print to a write statement and make it go to a file at any moment if I needed to. But for now, I just figured I would start with this. So, yeah, like I said, it's pretty basic at the moment, but it pulls exactly what you're looking for. Nothing more, nothing less. So it does what it needs to for now. Like I said, I'd like to make it a little bit better as I go, and I will. So, yeah, have a good one.